Hey there, welcome back to Homespot. Before you throw away those old bricks stacked up in your yard, stop right there because today we're turning them into something absolutely stunning. We have gathered charming and creative DIY ideas to upcycle old bricks and completely transform your garden. Let's get into it. If you have a pile of old bricks lying around, a herringbone garden pathway might be the most rewarding project you ever start. This classic pattern creates a stunning visual flow that guides visitors through your green space with elegance. Lay them tight with sand-filled joints and let creeping time fill the gaps naturally. When garden space is limited, building upward is always a smart move. A stacked brick planter tower lets you grow cascading succulents, trailing vines, and colorful annuals all in one vertical structure. The offset stacking technique adds stability and a beautiful textured look that becomes an instant centerpiece in any small garden corner. The herb spiral is one of the most clever and functional garden designs ever created, and old bricks make the perfect building material. By stacking them into a rising spiral shape, you naturally create different microclimates at each level, allowing you to grow moisture-loving herbs at the base and drought-tolerant ones at the top. Nothing transforms a garden into a true outdoor living space quite like a handmade fire pit. Using reclaimed bricks arranged in a simple circle, you can build one in just a single afternoon. Add some weathered wooden chairs, hang a few string lights overhead, and you have a gathering spot your family will use all year long. A raised vegetable garden bed built with reclaimed bricks offers so much more than just a growing space. The thermal mass of the bricks absorbs warmth during the day and releases it slowly at night, giving your vegetables a longer and more productive growing season. Stack 2 or 3 layers high and fill with rich compost to get started. Creating a sense of calm in a small garden is all about materials and rhythm. Placing old bricks as individual stepping stones across a bed of smooth pea gravel instantly gives your outdoor space a meditative, Japanese-inspired quality. Add low ornamental grasses and a stone lantern to complete the scene and invite peaceful moments into your daily routine. Forget plastic labels that fade and break after one season. Old bricks painted with colorful folk art designs and plant names make the most charming and durable garden markers you will ever use. They are heavy enough to stay exactly where you put them, and they add a handcrafted artistic touch that makes your whole garden feel more personal and unique. Attracting birds to your garden is one of the simplest ways to bring it to life with movement and natural sound. Stack reclaimed bricks into a sturdy pedestal and place a wide, shallow terracotta dish on top, filled with fresh water. Position it near flowering lavender or roses, and within days you will have regular feathered visitors stopping by. A low brick retaining wall does not have to look solid and cold. By deliberately leaving gaps between the bricks as you stack them, you create planting pockets where creeping thyme, alpine flowers, and moss can take root and grow freely. Over time, the wall transforms into a lush, living tapestry of texture and color that softens every hard edge. Building a garden bench does not require advanced woodworking skills or expensive materials. 2 stacks of reclaimed bricks topped with a single thick wooden plank create a bench that is both sturdy and full of rustic character. Place it along a garden path or tucked beside a rose bush, and it instantly becomes the most inviting spot in your yard. Alpine rock gardens look incredible, but can be tricky to build without a good structural base. Using old bricks as tiered foundation levels gives you precise control over height and drainage, while creating natural planting pockets for saxifrage, sedums, and cushion plants. The rough brick texture perfectly mimics the look of mountain rock, making the whole display feel completely authentic. A small garden pond framed by a neat row of reclaimed bricks looks far more polished and intentional than an unedged liner ever could. The bricks define the water feature cleanly, provide a stable surface to stand on while tending to the pond, and create a natural habitat edge where frogs and insects love to gather, throughout the warmer months. Transform a bare garden fence into a productive and beautiful living wall by building a vertical planter from bricks stacked in an open grid pattern. Leave regular gaps between bricks to create individual planting pockets. Then fill each space with herbs, trailing succulents, or compact flowering plants. The result is a stunning textured wall that grows denser and more beautiful every season. Laying a patio with reclaimed bricks gives your outdoor living space a warmth and character that no modern paving material can match. Each brick carries its own unique color variation, surface texture, and history, and when laid together in a circular fan or running bond pattern, they create a floor that looks like it has been part of the garden for generations. A compost bin built from reclaimed bricks might be the most practical and attractive upgrade you can make to your kitchen garden. 3 stacked walls with an open front create a sturdy, long-lasting enclosure that looks far tidier than plastic alternatives. The brick walls also help retain heat within the compost pile, speeding up the decomposition process significantly throughout the year. Turning old bricks into an outdoor kitchen counter is one of the highest value garden projects you can take on over a long weekend. Stack and mortar them into an L shape, top with a smooth slate slab, and you instantly have a functional outdoor cooking and entertaining area. Add terracotta herb pots along the counter edge to complete the charming rustic look. A sunken seating pit built from reclaimed bricks creates one of the most intimate and cozy outdoor spaces imaginable. By digging down slightly and lining the walls and floor with old bricks, you build a natural shelter from the wind that makes garden evenings feel warm and private. Add cushioned seats, a central lantern, and string lights to complete the atmosphere perfectly. Who says garden sculptures have to be expensive or store-bought? Stack and mortar old bricks into geometric towers, abstract animal shapes, or totem-style pillars. Then paint them in bold, earthy tones or leave them in their natural terracotta color. Placed among flowering plants and trailing ground cover, these one-of-a-kind brick sculptures give your garden a personality that is entirely your own. That is a wrap on our charming ways to upcycle old bricks for your garden. From herringbone pathways and herb spirals to fire pits, bird baths, and sculptural yard art, old bricks truly have endless potential to elevate any outdoor space. If you found an idea that inspired you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Homespot for more garden inspiration, and drop your favorite idea in the comments below.